Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the new Budget King Galaxy phone revealed launch in the United States, as well as phone specifications, design, and color options. The new leak revealed the Samsung Galaxy A36 design and color options for the US launch before the official launch announcement. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G design has leaked in official-looking images ahead of its US launch. This leak showcases the mid-range model, which is expected to be the only one arriving in the US market, alongside other Galaxy A series models. What are design changes and color options? The design of the Galaxy A36 5G features some notable updates. The device is shown in multiple color options including black, white, light purple, and green, each marketed with the awesome prefix. The bezels are slightly thinner than those on the Galaxy A35, although the chin remains thicker than the side bezels. The phone retains the modern Infinity O display, offering a seamless viewing experience. The rear design has been revamped, with a dedicated camera island for the three sensors, while the LED flash sits outside the island. What are new features and performance? Samsung is expected to integrate new Galaxy AI features into the A series phones, including the awesome intelligence branding, which has been trademarked. The Galaxy A56 is expected to feature a new Exynos chip, offering superior performance. The Galaxy A36, on the other hand, will likely use a mid-range Snapdragon chipset, making it competitive in its price segment. What are software and launch expectations? Samsung has not officially confirmed the launch of the Galaxy A56 and A36, but based on past trends, these models might be revealed next month. The upcoming phones are expected to run One UI 7 based on Android 15, a version that is also anticipated for flagship models. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is shaping up to be an attractive option for mid-range smartphone users in the US. With a fresh design, new features, and solid performance, it could be a strong competitor in the budget-conscious segment. The official launch, however, remains to be confirmed, with expectations for a next-month debut. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.